Hi everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts. And I had you vote on, I have the 4 different little like mystery box toy kind of things that I picked up. And the panda one is the one that you wanted me to open first, so that's what I'm going to do today. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. Oh my gosh, Santan Valley, Arizona. Welcome to my channel. During the video premiere, I am in the chat room, so make sure you head on over there. I'll be there with my friends. If you're watching the replay, you have a question or a comment, leave it below. YouTube will let me know, and then I can reach out to you. So I thought I would just have fun. I had done one of these before, and I can't remember the name of the store. It's like Less So Life or something like that. It's in Chandler. But I did a Lotso one, and Lotso is this little guy. This little guy here. I picked this one up when we were at Disney. He's got like a little magnet, so like you can like hook him on your shirt, you know. But he's just so cute. So he kind of sits off to the side. And then I have a big one that is by my bed. Sometimes I sleep with him, but he's a great pillow. So I got him for that. But anyway, so I did one of these little mystery boxes, and it was Lotso. So I did do that, would have probably been over a month ago, because it was when I got my hair cut the last time, and I go every 5 weeks. And it was cute, because it ended up being, I got the mystery box, and it was his bedroom, so it was really fun. But I was like, oh, you know, do I do another Lotso and get a repeat? So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to grab 4 different ones, and then I know I won't get a repeat. So that's kind of like a make the long story long. So what these are. So that's what I'm going to do. So for today's Di's Shorts, I'm going to open up the little panda box. So let's get started. So close your eyes just for a second, and I'll get my camera adjusted. Okay, so this is the little box. I don't know. I mean, I'm like a 60-year-old woman, and I still love like little toys and things like that. I have Toy Story things around, Minions, you name it. So, but these are just so fun. So you don't know what's going to be in there. It's just called Panda Ballet Performance Series. So it can be any one of these, or there's 2 different mystery ones, so you don't know what they look like. So you don't know what there is. I don't know if you were to scan that, if it would tell you. I'll have to do it after I open it, because I don't want to do it now in case it does, because I wonder if it would. All right, so this is what we're going to do. I'm just going to open it up, and we're going to see what one we got. So I'm just going to be really careful. I wonder what it's going to be. So it says play for fun. So this is an Asian store, so you can tell like it's all the writing is for, I mean, I can read this. A parent's consent is required for children and teens age 8 and above to purchase. There was this little girl in there when I was looking at stuff, and I think she was with her mom, and so she walked over and she picked a couple up, and then her mom was leaving, and she's like, oh, and her mom was like saying, no, you're not gonna get it. So anyways, all right, so here's the little bag. It has a little stand. Oh, I don't want to look at this stuff, because maybe that's telling me. This is environmental desiccant. Now this, I think, just keeps this from getting watery. Now I've seen people use these in shaker cards. Let me see what this looks like. So these are like little gray. So these aren't clear. Like usually these things, so they're kind of like little gray things. Oh great, I'm spilling them all over the place. All right, so I'm just going to put them in the garbage. But some people use them as a shaker card. All right, so we have our little stand. Could I drag this on anymore? All right, so we have our little stand, and I love that because I also have Funkos. Now, when you do Funkos, because I have like my Johnny Cash Funko, I have Walking Dead, I have Schitt's Creek, but you know what those are. All right, so this is a little bag. Oh, so exciting. Look how cute she is. And she's fuzzy. She's like furry. Look at her. Oh my gosh. Isn't she adorable? Look how cute she is. She's got a little tambourine. And then her foot goes on here. And then she just stands there. Oh, look at her little face. So this one looks like Swan Lake. But like I said, I can't read the writing. Oh wait, this one says, okay, which one is this? This says tambourine. Oh my. I have to have a magnifying glass for that. But anyways, it's tambourine. So she is adorable. And look at her little, I don't know if the camera picks up, but I mean, she's made so nice. I mean, she's not cheap. She's made so cute. And she's got her little stamp on her butt. But isn't she cute? So that was the panda one, little tambourine. And they only had 2 of these. They only had 2 of these boxes. So stinking cute. And then what I'll do is I will, oh, maybe it says it on here. Tambourine. Oh, it just says tambourine variations. Okay. And I'll just put her on my shelf. Maybe I'll put her on my hutch, but she's too stinking cute. And then the next 3 Fridays, so I have these in order. So I made sure I put them in order as the percentage, you know, because when I did the first video and I showed all 4 of them, I had you all like voting like which one. So it went Panda, then it went Baby Nancy will be the next one I open. The Fruits Party will be the 3rd one, and then the Animal Party will be the 4th one. And I will do those on my Dies shorts. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So yeah, so isn't that fun? Oh my gosh. I just think she's adorable. And she's such a good little size. Look at how stinking cute she is. I probably should have got both boxes. You know? I should have probably got both boxes. Because she's too stinking cute. Oh my gosh, I love her. I'm going to call her Paula. Paula the panda. Cute. All right, so yeah, so thanks so much for voting. I can't wait to open up the other ones, and let me know if you want me to do more kind of things like that, because it is fun. Like I said, when I go get my haircut, I just run over to that store, and they have so many cute little things. Hopefully, they'll get some more of those in that are out of stock or whatever. Because there's some really fun looking ones that they don't have. So yeah, and then Eric's birthday's coming up in October, and he likes that kind of stuff, so I might actually drive over there with him one day and let him pick out some things, because he likes Pokemon, and they had a bunch of Pokemon stuff and things like that. So all right, so I'm gonna stop blabbing. Me and my little Paula the panda are going to say have a good weekend, and if you have any questions at all, make sure you holler at me. Otherwise, I will see you Monday for my Mimeograph Monday with a Twist. That will be at 3 o'clock Arizona time, same channel. Have a good weekend. and I'll see you then. Bye for now.